18th year of your life is significant event in family or finances and some shifting I see and an event to father. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 100%.
No, tell the story. Vijay Dinanath Chauhan. Everybody wants full dialogue.
So I I grew up in Patna and I relocated. My father was the general manager in Calcutta, and I relocated to Calcutta when I was 18. 100%, sir.
Why? Wherever moon sets, it gives result in the 18th year. Yes or no?
Yes.
Students, old students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, a question है. Why did he travel? Because of Leo Chararashi?
Because the Lord of Moon is in the third house with the ninth Lord of Father.
Yes,
But
sorry,
your
sir. Yes, in reaction.
father would have a moving job.
Yes, sir.
Why? Sun is in third house. Only T45. Rahu Ketu in the 11th house. Big time financial problems in family and in money. Dispositor has gone in the 12th house. दुनिया का पैसा चुना लगा के लेके गया. You also lost money because of women or luxuries. Lot of spending in luxury, foreign spending. Done?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
You want me to go about the women further? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Please, please.
नहीं छोड़ो यार ऐसे नहीं किसी का Okay, Saturn is there. Okay, in Karka, mother having problem
Yes.
major, chronic. Yes or no?
Diabetes. Diabetes. Yes.
I see more problem to mama. Health issue.
Yes, sir.
I see suffering to mother. I see suffering and I see surgeries on mother.
Yes, sir.
Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
नहीं नहीं, थोड़ा stories और बोलते जाओ ना. I also have to see that the next planet to predict ना. So you tell the story in that time. I'll tell in 36th year of your life. I see a woman or I see some luxury happening, expenses.
So 36, I got married.
But if you got married at the age of 37, I see a lot of transformation, blackmailing, debacle. Eighth Lord it is. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. 100% true, sir.
Yes, sir. Say nobody can
Awesome,
take
sir.
question. I have a
Awesome, sir.
question. If I have a question to ask you, yeah. If I am Katrina Kaif and you just say, I love you, and I just say, yes, sir, will you be happy? No, you want to hear from you too.
I love you, sir.
Okay, let's go further. Saturn,
Two.
Sun, you will go deep in everything, and your subconscious mind is your problem. Saturn, Sun in the third house, you'll talk, you'll go deep. Super analysis, Einstein, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Opposite,
It
yes, sir.
is true, sir. आप क्या बोले? You are 100% true, sir.
Here you see these two planets, eighth house, property, work retrograde, gone. Properties are gone, not in your hand. Documents is the problem. Documents in properties, yes or no? Cheating via that. People, kind of indirect blackmailing, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So opposite, yes
Father,
sir. बोलते.
sir, this is true, sir.
एक दो story
Business
तो बोल.
partner. Business partners.
Cheating. Do I
Property,
see that?
yes.
I said property cheating.
And black magic.
Black magic. I was to come to. You gotta wait.
सर ये 36 ईयर का
Mandi there. Mandi is over there. I see Tantra, Mandi there in the sixth house. Enemies are there. Everybody from Prashna course, Mandi, you all remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
He's sitting in sixth house. Yes, sir.
Neighbor also some spirit is there in the neighbor. Okay, somebody problem with the neighbor. I see. Are you aware of this? Somebody neighbor, something happening
No,
in the neighbor's house. Somebody is dead is alive. Your neighbor will not act rationally. A bit odd. Sometime or the other, you'll find a neighbor who will not be rational. थोड़ा येड़ा लगेगा येड़ा.
हाँ वो तो है सर.
And when the neighbor comes out of the house, okay, he will go inside and sometimes come out. He'll go inside and come out. Have you noticed that?
Yes, sir. He's an old man. He's 80 plus, 85 plus.
Many a times does he do it? Many a times.
Yes, sir. He does.
Getting it. Let's do your past life. Somebody in your family Now I'm just telling what is his past life lagna. Okay, don't ask me how. Let me save it for another course or next life. Okay. For the past life lagna, I see this. I see father as the cause of 80% of your life. And this. Just think what I said. The story starts with father. Story starts with spouse. And a spouse has died. Pluto is there. I see property cheating in past life. Relatives also involved. Past life ka past life. I see woman. Gemini. So I see Zaban diya mukar gaya. I see what you gave word, you went back. The mother of this life was from past life. Do you feel that?
Yes, I do. I mean, she's no more. But yes, I do.
11th. Servants, pets, very important. 11th. B.V. Raman taught this to Gayatri Devi Vasudev, his daughter. This technique. अभी तक past life का जो बोला, do you get a hint? Is it
Yes, sir.
matching?
Yes, sir. I mean, somebody with some extraordinary powers to narrated some portions of my past life, which are met.
What is your age now? Running age? What is your running age?
51.
Did you travel at the age of 50?
The last year I was traveling all the time.
Was there a documentation problem with the property?
Yes, sir.
तुम लोग में से कोई ताली नहीं मारेगा, but let me continue. You have big time rain regarding women, huh? Big time rain. Be very careful with women, especially in contracts. You will always keep on feeling people who are dead are still active, alive. Yes or no? Last prediction.
Yes, sir. I always feel that. 100%.
Very big, very big point about your life. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. I feel that all the time.
You feel that abnormally more than an average person. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. That would be right. Correct.
Anybody else want D45?
Where did that come from, sir?
Sir, I want, sir.
Pluto in ninth house.
Sir.
Yuang also present here.
Sir, Ruchi also wants along with the past life one. Sir,
If I
हमको
tell
पहले चाहिए ना.
Sir, that spirit thing थोड़ा explain अगर कर देते for everybody.
Which spirit? The black
Feeling
magic?
connected. No. Feeling the last one.
Yeah. Pluto is in the 9th house in the Prashna. I have taught that in the Prashna class.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I taught that in the Prashna class. Okay, I'll show it again. I have broken all barriers of Prashna. You all know it. I've taught that in the Prashna class. Where is Pluto? Pluto is here. It has A6. Let me tell you very clearly, Divargo, in your Pitris, many people have died due to sudden accidents or a chronic disease, major chronic disease, or tadap ke, yes or no?
Sir, I know my grandmother. She had TB at that point in time.
Sudden it
Tuberculosis.
has, all of a sudden people need to die. In your Pitris, in your ancestors. One. Second, many of them came back and gave indications to you via dream or actually physically after that death. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Think carefully. तुम लोग खाली yes sir ही बोलेगा थोड़ा.
No. I keep seeing my father and my mother. Sometimes, mostly father and mother in my dreams.
One is dreams, but more than that, I'll tell you something. When you go into any dark place, a tunnel, a cave, okay, Lord, or in your sleep, one of your pitris has touched your this portion, and or something like that. Have you felt it? If not, you will feel it. Think about it.
Sir, I feel certain entities from time to time because of the sadhana.
Touching. Think about touching. They have touched you. Have you felt somebody touch you?
Yes.
Do you think this is a great prediction?
Indeed,
Super
yes.
prediction. Super prediction.
सर मैं सीटी भी बजाया.
See Mercury, now you see the Pluto dispositor is retrograde. I have shown you all these techniques in my courses. Problem is, none of you are sitting and testing it and preparing PPTs. I am going to reach Brigurishi. I love to Brigurishi so much. With my love, I force him to come down and teach. Are you getting it, everybody? That is the thing. So we have now tested D45. Let's come back to the chapter. Promise me you all will always see the charts. Whenever you see chart, you'll see D1, D9, D3, D45, D60. Will you do it, everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
Or you want to convince again? Did you all see what I circled right at the start?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
What my arrows went?
Yes, sir.
What did I write here?
Spirit,
Yes, sir.
spirit.
So whenever, second question, Ketu there, okay, do you see that whenever you visit any strong pilgrimage place, your life, lot of obstacles, transformations also, both reverse, that happens. Do you see that? Or you do a lot of prayers sometimes, problems suddenly become fold, double fold problem.
100%, sir. 100%.
So I will suggest you want my advice. I know you're a part of our courses or whatever. You want my advice? Just stick to one prayer and leave everything else. Especially don't do upayas. There is some spirit problem which you confirm. Mandi I circled in the second house of food and you said some people seem to have given something, whatever. Leave it. Okay. And visit Mehndipur Balaji if you can.